You know.
So him trick you?
No, she tricked me.
I say, man, this.
Them in the shop, me at the shop, they go so wuku-duku.
Welcome to...
Oh, God, whoa, that was noisy. That was noisy. Yeah, welcome. It's Friday. Olympics start. We are getting ready to celebrate. Yeah, I don't think I really thought that out, but anyway, box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another social media countdown. It is a Friday. The Olympic Games has commenced. It has begun. It has started. So, so we have to just saddle up and get ready for all of the action. And so, we'll have some little time before the track and field hit the track. You okay? Did I just say the track and field hit the track? But anyway, Berritos, we'll have some Olympic things we're going to talk about and other topics. So let's get into today's top 5 social media countdown.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them talk me, yo, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, see.
Number 5, track, love, engagement. Why did I say engagement and the people them don't at Jesus crime? Okay, anyway, Berritos know. So, we mentioned some time ago, like, track and field, love always a keep. You have Noah Lyles and you have Janelle Brownfield, and now we're gonna talk about Rashid Broadbell and Stacey-Ann Williams. Rashid is a 110-meter hurdle runner, and Stacey-Ann Williams, she is a 400-meter runner. And so now the two have started dating, and since they reached Paris, they reached France, they have been more than welcome to share their love story with the world. Take a look.
It started, she was throwing garbage on me at training. And she was like, oh no, I'm not paying you no mind. I'm like, all right then. Yeah, that means you notice me. You know what I mean? You just want that inside. From a girl see it, that means you shall pay attention. You know what I'm saying? So from then, everything was just issue. I just put myself in the position, and here we are today.
Yeah. Stacey?
That's his story.
Is it true? What's your story?
My story is he was just, he just came up to me and was like, let's go eat. And I'm like, okay. And then a week passed and I didn't respond. And he was like, he thought I was like killing him or whatnot. So then he messaged me again and said, where do you want to go? I'm like, I sent him a few places, and then I don't know, the communication went so again, like it just never connect first. And then, he just kept being persistent till, I caved in.
And she never caved in by herself. She bring people. She bring people upon the first time I tried to take her.
I didn't know it was a date.
But me like, you know what?
So him trick you?
No, she tricked me. I mean, that is like, that I can't even put that into words how the feeling is, but it's really good because I feel like at trials, she went before me and she made the team. And as I say, it was my turn, and she was right at the sidelines. I was there. I'm like, all right, my time now, So it's like it's just like she pushed me, I pushed her. It's like vice versa. So now, I start August 4, so I get the game going before her. She goes on the 5th, so I have to, whichever one goes first, I have to just set it out and just set the standard and just get going.
It's 100%. Exciting. I feel like he's always looking forward for me to do well, and I'm looking forward for him to do well. So it feels good to know that you have somebody out there that is, rooting for you wholeheartedly, nothing to gain. It's exciting.
Yeah, man, that is what you call good PR and marketing. We love to see it. And but Wayne Williams, Wayne Pinnock, Wayne Walker. the journalist, hopefully I'm getting his name correctly because if I mix up people's name, you know, they must say you must kind of easy back with some of the invasive questions them because you know how them look for seasoned journalists already. They feel like certain things make it go on certain podcasts and them people that ask them look a question there. But for you have to just kind of keep it like, yeah, that's what I say. All right. So burritos, let me know, are you happy for your love story and do you... let me shut my mouth because I'm going to talk about the bed them. Because you know, them say them have some special Olympic bed where you can't really... Yeah, man, I'm going to shut my mouth before me go ask some question like Wayne. Number 4, Drezel engagement. Me wedding. All right, now, so Drezel Simmons, a social media influencer, Dolly, all of these things. She recently posted a video showing off her birthday, I guess birthday surprise. And many other people in the comment section were asking like, yo, why this look like it could have been a little wedding, a little something is in the air. And by the time you could have blink your eyelash, the man go drop her the big bad proposal. Take a watch.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Aww, that's not my name. Thank you. Oh, I'm so much gift for Alright, so I'm gonna pull that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I want to go on. You have Ramesh and Shaquille, like, them have for them look a love story. Love is in the air. Things are going to Paris. Like, I want to go on. It's just like everybody's a romance out the whole of 2024. So, oh my God, man. If you are in love right now, leave a little heart emoji in the comment section. Leave a little heart emoji if you're in love right now. And if you're not in love, put the little running man or running girl emoji. Alright, burritos, so if you don't remember who Drezel is, some time ago we did post a video in the social media countdown with a lady who spent over $400,000 at the supermarket as she's CM1 because the girl, she's been kept very well and she's not just a doll, you know, like she have her business run as well because, you know, most of the time when the little girl, you know, when the young girl, them took up like an older man, they will make sure so them depend some solid foundation and make them see other things if they never did already go on with themselves initially. And so, you know, all we can say just commendations to her and it's nice to say, you know, she's in a relationship that I'm very sure Miss Kitty would also co-sign as well. story. Burritos, I'm not even going to spend too much time talking about it, because this is exactly why Jamaicans are amazing storytellers. You take a bad situation, an unfortunate situation, but why is it that we're able to just offer such comic relief while detailing a story? Take a watch.
Me hear one of the brothers say, "No go there one tornado. One tornado, they pass there, so one tornado ground there, so there. So when the tornado reach, right down there, so, I go hear this beggar say to the tornado say, good on, so. And when he say good on, so, me don't know about, he come right, when he say to the tornado, he come at the tornado, hear him. The tornado turn back from down there, so, come back up there, so. And when he reach up there, so, he tap. And it build up bigger. And when me did that, so, me the men in the same way. So me say, beggar say, Rogers, he dey coming. He said, and me did the men in the same way. Me say, beggar and boy run go in there. So me stick the men in there. It's when he come on the boat there, so. When he come on the boat here, so now. Me want to go in there, so, but to the speed of me move on, man. Me couldn't go in there, so. That's why me run good on my house, so. I jump in the shop. When we jump in the shop down there, so now, me here, three them in the shop, me hear the shop, they go so, wuku-duku, and me hold on for the column, because I'm saying, hold on, because you don't take off the rooftop. And me hear the guy post, go so, whoom, and me see be a fire, the gas. And then so now, man, this I look serious. Brother, I first me ever experience. It's terrible.
No, that is it. That boy, let me be readers. Were you fully entertained and caught up with the details? Sound off below. Number 2, Shelly, surprise, me wigless. Alright, readers know, so Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, has stated that this year's Olympics will be her final Olympic Games, and so I want her to have a good, fine final. Number 2, Shelly, surprise, me 100 meter. Alright, so Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has stated that this will be her final Olympic Games. She'll close off her career, and we are just so caught up. We don't want her to leave, but we want her to have exactly what she wants. Okay, so just a pray say she just stay safe, injury-free, and all of that for the championships. So, burritos know, so guess what? This video of rugby star Michaela Blythe popped up on social media and got us all in her feels. Oh God, take a look at how she reacted upon seeing the legend Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Watch.
I just saw Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Oh my God. Those are real tears. Holy shit. I love it.
These are the moments when we love to see at the Olympic Games. Like, more to see the behind the scenes. It's not all about the track and field, but how the other persons, in the camp, how them react when them see the Jamaicans, walking by, the interaction. Remember the last Olympic Games, you have, what you call it? What's his name again? The 110 parchment. Hansel Parchment, that moment that he had with the Olympic worker, or was a World Championship worker. Boy, there was something here. We just love it. Like, she was fully overcome with emotions. And I'm just here to say, me too. Because the first time you see Shelly, it lick you. And then you remember that 21-year-old girl who did just jump on the scene and won her first Olympic gold medal, and how much she has basically contributed and given to Jamaica and the world. Like, she's just an incredible personality on and off the track. So definitely got it. But what I'm also happy about is the fact that Shelly-Ann is in her business hat, because the girl never wastes no time and make sure the start of the Olympic Games is when she's actually going to announce the launch of her hair care line. Take a watch. No man, my girl are the business. You learn from Beyonce. You drop things like it hot like that. Because I see him, so Beyonce did drop out, announce her album at the Super Bowl with the commercial. No, my God, Shelly-Ann, the team at work. The team at work. And number 1 goes to Olympic fits. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number one goes to Olympic fits, burritos. Well, I have to go and talk about the Olympic fits that were made by Puma. Puma, the official sponsor for the Jamaican athletic gear, right? For the 2024 staging of the games. And so people did see them rush out, you know, at the National Stadium some time ago. And we did see the kit and we were like, oh, okay, all right, this is nice. But for the opening ceremony, people saw some of the fits and were like, including, when this video was posted online with one of the athletes, them trying on the gear. And some people did say it kind of look like a little raincoat. And I'm just like, I mean, yeah, but then you had like other athletes who were properly able to kind of put the something together and make it, you know, bring it out in a way how I guess Puma had envisioned it. And so you see the athletes, them, you know, gearing up before the opening ceremony. They were having fun, chilling, showing off them colors. And I liked it. I don't know if this is my 100% favorite, but we just like to see it in our colors because we're always going to stand out wherever we are. Okay? And so one of the things that we have to note now is that this moment where the Jamaicans definitely got their 15 seconds of fame at the opening ceremony. And by the way, this opening ceremony with the one bag of people them on the boat and they sit them. They kind of drawn out, man. At one point, it feel like one sermon, one church sermon where they need for cut. Yeah, man, it kind of get a little tie-in, you know, it did a edge my teeth, man. I just kind of watch it. And it was just all over the place. Sometimes I see some little things, I wonder how TVJ never gone to commercial because you know how TVJ will cut out one whole episode of Generations. If they even little touch on certain things, somebody in shock says Supreme Ventures never come in and want to drag go move the proceedings. So while watching the opening ceremony, this is what I caught from my own phone, and now I'm going to share it with you. Take a look.
Boon, make sure you don't miss this on TV, you know. Scotty, is that you, yeah? Yo, father, you don't give me no more picture here? Just look on the people, them. Just look how them clean and nice. Jamaica represent all the way. And just make sure it's ready. Because every country already up.
Those were my exact real life thoughts while watching the ceremony. Burritos, let me know if you agree. Me never did mention to them put it in the Rosa Parks position as well. Well, anyway, Burritos, let me know what you thought of the outfits. Is that yay or nay for you? Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, we're at the 300,000 mark, but we still need the help, so we can go to the 400 and the 500 as well. Follow me on all my social media platforms at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time. Tata, Olympic time. Now, you know, Burritos now. So make sure so when I pop up live, I'm going to do a little post-game and pre-game, little live session on the channel. Join me and let us interact. Okay? Take care.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them. So me, I will have me another week, yo, just tune in. See